God. Amaka, you fuck up. Amaka, you fuck up upon everything I do for you. You where your mama no send school. I also I pay your school fees. See as I know they talk to myself like mad person because of you. You won't make I get colo for your case. You won't make I crazy. Amaka, God go punish you. Only at further you war rather. Amaka, you want to fuck up me? I know how I saved all my money. Make sure you went to school now. Otilo, you are gonna meet billionaire. You are not cashing out, posting on YouTube, posting everywhere, TikTok, everywhere. Now you're not telling me I'm a shit packer. And mama self want me. Now me fuck up. Mama self want me. Mama want me. Me I dey do love na scam. Walai. Mama want me. This girl won't make I crazy for her matter. This girl won't make I mad for her matter. But no worry. She be na love. Otilo here. Otilo is far gone. Even Arya Star self talk am. He don't go with that. Don't forget that. No worry. Amy, no worry. I go make her. I go share me Amaka. That boy go leave you. That boy go leave you. I sure say that boy go leave you. No worry. Don't worry, Otilo. Let me fuck up. What? Fuck love. Amaka, I go pepper you for this Lagos. She be na you. I could come for you. Mo wakiri ne.